What is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. I haven't vlogged in quite some time, but yeah, so we are here at the park off at Clifton. We just got a complaint by that guy, you can't see him anymore, that somebody was spinning. Now, if you guys know us, we don't like spinning. Come on, why would we ever considering wasting tire marks and stuff like that? Okay, yeah. Anyway, so I'm getting sidetracked there, guys. So as you probably heard, I'll get this. There we go. So now you guys can see me. I haven't vlogged in a while, so I'm back now, and because only the other guy, he's retired. No, I'm kidding. He hasn't retired. He's in London, so he's busy getting us vlogs and stuff there from London. And yeah, so I'm taking over for today because he's currently in London, as I said. And so yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy the video. I'm going to try and take some photos and video. I haven't done that in a while. So wish me luck, guys. I hope you enjoy it. And
welcome to the park, guys.
Welcome
so
to
we
the
can't
park.
swim. It's hot in there.
Yeah, we have to rep because of merchandise purposes. So
thanks, names for let this guy vlog.
So stay tuned, guys.
What is up, guys? We're in my garage. Beast is here, and today I want to mention to you guys one of our partners. MW Auto Parts is where I personally buy my ethanol. They've been supplying me with ethanol for the past year. They supply ethanol, methanol, fuel additives, brakes, etc. They do a wide range of things, guys. I'm going to add the links in the description below, and even here. Please check them out, guys. Support them. If you ever want any form of fuel additives, ethanol, whatever, they are the guys. They have the best prices in Cape Town. Please check them out, guys. Peace.
Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now. Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really
I'm back. Yeah, so we have a bit of a more turnout, and yeah, so guys, very warm. That moment when you send your friend to go get you some beers.
Hey man, names, you missing out, bro.
Your names. This is a personal message to you. You suck, bro.
Yeah,
You suck.
all the way from South Africa.
All the way from South Africa. You suck, bro. Anyway, guys, it's a nice turnout today. Beautiful view. As you can see, the beautiful mountain of Cape Town. And we're gonna get a sunset soon. That's gonna be amazing. nice cars and the ocean and everything. So guys, hope you guys enjoy the video so far. It has been a while. I am looking forward to editing this video, very much so. But yeah guys, there's going to be a lot of clips and mixes of people also vlogging today, and we'll put into this video. And yeah guys,
It's a crew.
it's a crew effort. Yeah, it's indeed. So guys, stay tuned my friends. Why aren't you vlogging? Why aren't you guys vlogging?
We are
This
vlogging.
is us now at our park off, which is amazing.
Which is
Good
amazing.
turnout.
I'm
We
so
even have a
glad.
bus. See how diverse we are.
We got the bus, we got everything here
We have
guys.
a
We got
bus, We have
Bucky's.
a Porsche. We have new Audi.
We do not have a Porsche, but we'll say it out.
Kiana's
There's the
Kiana's
Porsche.
We have a Porsche,
We
okay.
have a Porsche.
We have a turboed Porsche.
Yes.
We have Audis. We have Fords.
We have BMs.
We have beer. We have beer on the way.
That's BM tuned Etios.
We have tuned
But this is the famous, the infamous. That's Ethan. He's gonna be on the vlog. This is the infamous BMW Etios. Let's get the sun out. There we go. It's like one of a kind. Sponsored not by something tech.
I forgot about the 86s.
On the 86s, the 68s.
One clean, one dirty.
That's not my reflection. That's a flaw. That's a man following me. Let's get this in. Hey Dylan, this is very funny on your dirty car, man.
What's very funny?
Okay, this is like drone footage. Now I just have to chuck the phone. What is up, guys? I'm trying to copy that Nemesis guy. Anyway, guys, welcome back to the vlog. I am got a couple of new faces. Got nice BMWs. This nice Mercedes. Everybody's lining perfectly up for the photo shoot. Don't tell them that my battery is flat. But yeah, okay. Nobody needs to know. They will know after they see this video. But guys, yeah. So took a couple of nice photos. Still waiting for the sun to set. And hopefully all the battery still lasts after that, because it's wow, look at that. Just people just keep on coming. It's awesome. We're about like 40 plus cars now, and it's not even sunset yet. Sunset's when the I'm deaf. Guys, just wanna point this out. You can look to that. See that tree behind me? It's not even shivering, which means it's perfect weather for the drone. So, boom boom. RS6, very nice. Yeah, everybody's leaving now. Well, most people, because they don't like sunsets. I'm kidding. People got stuff to do. Anyway, but yeah, as I was saying, perfect weather for a drone. So, not gonna shoot drone footage because London guy did not leave me the drone. Yeah, names. So guys, we have reached the sunset. Beautiful sunset. Get some footage of that now. And just special thanks to everybody that's been watching so far. I know it's not good quality with the gimbal and it's a lot shaky today, but oh wait, just have a look at that beautiful mountain there at the back. Cheers, guys. So I'm gonna end the video off here. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and as would be a great privilege if you guys could subscribe. It's, I don't know which side it is, one of the sides. It doesn't cost any money, it's just literally subscribe, and then you just hit the bell notification so you guys can get the notifications whenever we post. We do post every Wednesday on this Infamous Rivals page. We try to post a video at least every Wednesday. So guys, as usual, we're always connected by one road. Peace out.